Hey, in this video, I'm going to walk you through an Azure Virtual Desktop architecture that delivers any Windows application as a remote app to any device, without installation, with full SSO, and with every session audited. This is the architecture we built for a client who needed a locked-down, compliant app experience for remote teams on personal devices. Let me walk you through the design. The challenge: a company needs employees on personal devices to access a Windows-only application, compliant, audited, and without installing anything locally. Azure Virtual Desktop solves this. The architecture starts with an AVD host pool, a set of Azure virtual machines running the application. Session hosts are sized for the expected concurrent user count. Authentication flows through Microsoft-entra-id with conditional access policies. MFA required, compliant device check, geofencing if needed, no entra-join required on the personal device. The application is published as a remote app, not a full desktop. The user launches it from the Windows app or a browser. It appears as a native window on their device. All compute runs in Azure. Nothing installs locally. FSLogix profile containers ensure each user's settings and data follow them across sessions, no matter which host they land on. The result: a compliant zero-install application delivery model that IT controls completely, with full audit logging via Azure Monitor. That's the Azure AVD Remote App architecture. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1altx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.